All right, hello everyone. This is a quick video showing you how to update sales information. So I'm going to take this sale right here and say I wanted to add department category and subcategory. I would just click on the update sales button. It tells you to select the item in column A. And then once you get into this form, select sale to update. So it brings in the data that we currently have and allows you to say, all right, this is men. I guess we call this shirt jersey. Great. Okay. So then once I've updated whatever I wanted to update, I click enter item updates, and then my department category and subcategory show up in there. So that's how you do it, real quick and easy.